Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to move projects between workspaces on Asana. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your web browser and then proceed to app.asana.com. Once you're here, simply sign in with your account. And once you have signed in, you may now proceed to the project that you want to transfer or move to another workspace. So for example, I will choose this one. And then click on the Project Actions button right here on the rightmost part of the name. Click on it, click on Export, and then click on CSV. And then wait for it to load. Once it is downloaded, you may proceed to the other workspace that you have. So for example, this one. I'll just create a project and then you should choose import spreadsheet. So click on import spreadsheet, click on it, and then for example, I will type in sample, then you may change the privacy and then click on select file to import. You may drag and drop or you may also click on it to see your files. So I'll just drag and drop, then go to project, wait for it to load. Once it is downloaded, you may now see that your project has been moved into your new workspace. So that's it. That's how you can move projects between workspaces on Asana. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.